How to set up AutoPay for Gemini Credit Card. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Next, tap on the card section from the bottom bar to access your Gemini Credit Card details. Scroll down and select the AutoPay option. Here you will see options to set up automatic payments for your card balance. Tap on Set up AutoPay and choose the payment amount such as the full balance, minimum payment or a custom amount. Then select the linked payment method you want to use for automatic payments. Review the details carefully, including the payment schedule, and tap Confirm or Enable AutoPay. Gemini will now automatically pay your selected amount on the due date, ensuring you never miss a payment and helping you avoid interest charges. You can always return to the AutoPay section to modify or disable automatic payments if needed. Now you know how to set up AutoPay for your Gemini credit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.